When me just start, me used to hear their laughter. But you me know say a time or the master. And everything I say me going do me, I go after. You see the free, that's why every day my OD. Just I get a girl from the east with a dream. I shoot for the top and me go bring you all team.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very simple style, a to-go style. And I'll be using just regular rubber bands, hairpins, and my edge controller. And I'm going to use this sewing curly hair to accomplish the style that I want. Stay tuned. I'm finished with this side, my crisscross applesauce. So now I'm gonna do a braid on this side. So right now, you know, I always have to section my hair to put my edge controller in. And stuff. It really don't matter how you part it. So this is all that needs to be laid down. So I'm gonna go in. In my case, I'm going to use hairpins. I can't but I go for now. So what I'm doing, I'm lining it along the braid. I'm sticking one pin in because yeah, but the baga pin. It's coming on so far. So I'm playing with this, right? And I have this really cute, corny idea. Sorry, there's chuck across the street. Like it don't want to be great. Tricky. You know you could make it look like you got weaving. You got weaving. You got weaving. Yes. Yes. What I'm going to do when I get to the end, I'm going to wrap it around the end of the braid. Right here.
I'm back.
Oh my gosh. And then stop. Then I'm gonna add air pins as I go. God, please don't work with this.
Papa, you gonna come get me?
And then I'm gonna stuff it a little fat, a little bit as I go. And now I'm just going to do a braid at the ends.
Can't do no different. Swear me half a win. That's why I'ma try again. Pray every time I feel, 'cause God always a listen.